What's alcohol?
Guys, I don't know how I got here. I somehow got here, and like Joe's appeared, Chad's appeared. We've got Carl here, everyone.
No, please, Aaron, I got no friends in the class. I can't be a bad boy. I'm gonna graduate.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another daily vlog. So it's now 7:52 on the 18th January, and today we have got, well, a somewhat busy day. Not as busy as the usual Friday, because Doc Said Live is not happening this week, it's happening next week. So yeah, so instead I'm going to meet with Brett for a bit of lunch to catch up with him and see how things are. And yeah, we also have a first committee meeting for the whole Dockyard Ball thing we're trying to do, because yeah, we're going to try and put on the Dockyard Ball because it's our last year as uni students, and yeah, we want an end of year ball. So yeah, without further ado, let's crack on with the day and see what happens. Guys, I've got Starburst.
Where are you putting them on?
Becky and Sam were looking at me like crazy when I had Starburst. They saw me with that and they were like, what? Guys, we're all here watching the washing machine calibrate.
What's alcohol?
Guys, I don't know how I got here. I somehow got here, and like Joe's appeared, Chad's appeared. We've got Carl here, everyone.
No, please, Aaron, I got no friends in the class. I can't be a bad boy. I'm gonna graduate.
Oh my god. Yeah, we've got everyone's here, and like, yeah, it's cool. Like, yeah, we've got Brett over there and a few others, and yeah, it's awesome. I tell you what, this is what happens when a snap decision happens.
I went to Phriends last night.
He kept blaming it on others, Carl and his thermals. Oh man. Guys, we're just about to leave.
Hello.
Joe's here.
Okay.
We're going to leave. Brad and Chad. Neve came. Neve arrived and Chad.
Oi, he's gonna screenshot my face now.
But yeah, everyone's here. We're just about to leave, so we'll catch you guys later.
I look so dead.
So we'll see you later, guys.